Hello, hi everyone. Namaste. Welcome to Joyful Jacks. Today we are preparing chocolate chia seed pudding. All we require for chocolate chia seed pudding is 6 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1/4 cup of honey. You can add any sweetener of your choice, 1 cup of milk, pinch of salt, and cocoa powder. Here I'm using Hershey's cocoa powder because it has zero added sugar and the only ingredient is cocoa. Now add all the ingredients to the blender and blend it really nice until thick, smooth and creamy consistency. You can always add vanilla extract for the flavor, but it's optional. Blend it until rich, smooth and creamy texture. That's it. It's ready to serve. It's really simple and you can serve it as it is or you can freeze it for an hour or so and you can serve it like a dessert. Add in your favorite toppings. I'm adding some sliced almonds, mini chocolate chips and small pieces of apple. You can add any fruit of your choice, walnuts or raisins or any nuts of your choice. And the yummy chocolate chia seed pudding is ready to serve. Chocolate chia seed pudding is so simple and amazingly delicious. It's the easiest healthy dessert recipe you can make in no time. It's creamy, chocolatey, and yet loaded with lots of nutrients. Bonus, it's also a vegan and dairy-free snack. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more interesting videos.